So it looks like there's a new update on the RC2, and I thought I'd just check my DJI RCN2. I haven't got the RCN3, but I'd imagine it's the same. And there's an update on the controller there, and I'm just downloading that on my controller. I just want to see on the RC2 you got this added support for the dialing live stream. Now apparently it's some Chinese thing. It's like a ticky-tock, but for the Chinese. So it doesn't affect us at all, really. So I'm just wondering, do I really need to update my RC2? Because it sounds like it hasn't solved any other issues that we got. And we're talking about the rocket issue. Some people having that same problem, but I haven't. Anyway, my update on that's done. I'm just connecting up my Mini 4 Pro just to see if there's any more updates. So we're all in. I'm just going to go over to check update. Okay, just change my bound as always, because I'm always flying different drones at the moment. Okay, mine's up to date. Now, it'd be interesting to know, you guys out there, if you got the RCN3 controller, does yours need an update? I mean, mine's saying mine's fine. So, I mean, me personally, I'm not even going to bother with this app update. Guys, it's entirely up to you if you want to do the update. I just think it's a bit pointless at the moment. I'm sure there's going to be another update, especially with the RC2 controller, but I'm not going to even bother. So I'm just going to say, not now. Okay, it's taken me out. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to shut this one down. I'm going to connect up my Mini 4 Pro and just see what happens again. Okay, let's just go into settings. So, what it hasn't done, obviously, I've still got the old app version of 1.15.4. If I'd done that update, obviously it would have updated the app. But I think personally, there's not much point at the moment. And it won't make no difference. Anyway, it says the firmware is up to date. And I mean, another way of checking that is to go to the top, go to profile, interestingly enough. But if you notice at the bottom there, left, where it says about, there's a little red dot. So you press that. And there it is, check for updates. And it's got the latest update. So if I press that, okay, there. I'm not even going to bother with this update. It'd be interesting to know what your thoughts are, guys. Do you want to update? I don't see the point of it at the moment, but it's there if you wanted to. So as always, there's going to be another video coming very soon.